In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace documents in Docusign templates without losing your fields. This might sound tricky at first, but once you know the steps, it's actually very simple. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Docusign website. Once you're there, click on the Login button in the top right corner and sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, navigate to the Templates section. This is where all your saved templates are stored and managed. Now, browse through your templates and select the one you want to update. Once you've found it, click on the Edit option to open the template editor. Inside the editor, look for the three-dot menu, usually located at the top of the document options. Click on it to reveal more actions, then select Replace. At this point, you'll upload your new document. Here's an important tip. Make sure your new document has a layout that closely matches the original one. This is key because Docusign tries to preserve your existing fields based on their positions. If the layout is very different, some fields might shift or not align correctly. Once the document is replaced, don't rush. Take a moment to carefully review everything. Go through the document and check, are all fields still present? Are they in the correct positions? Do they match the content of the new document? If something looks off, you can easily adjust the fields before finalizing. After confirming everything is correct, go ahead and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the document in your Docusign template without losing your fields. This simple process can save you a lot of time, especially when updating contracts or standard documents. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.